Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today let us know about the significance of Dharmacharana in our life. Here, Dharmacharana means practice of Dharma. Our Upanishad says, Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara. Speak truth, practice righteousness. Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara. This is the primary duty of each and every human being. Here Dharma means there is a set of codes of conduct prescribed by our Shastras to tread the path of righteousness called Dharma. Our Shastra says this Dharma should fulfill three factors. First one is bringing about the worldly progress of each and every human being. This is the most important factor. Without any least discrimination, Dharma should bring worldly progress to each and every one. Second one is causing progress in spiritual life. That means Dharma should contribute to our spiritual progress. It should guide our spiritual path. And finally, third one is keeping the social system in an excellent condition. So our Shastra says, Dharma should fulfill these three factors. That is why our Shastra says, Dhritikshama damosteyam sauchamindriya nigraha dhirvidya satyamakrodho dashakam dharma lakshanam. Dhriti means bravery. Kshama, forgiveness. Dama, self-control. Asteya, non-stealing. Saucham, cleanliness. Indriya nigraha, sense control. The sense of reasoning, vidya, knowledge. Satyam means truthfulness. akrodha, never to lose temper. Here our Shastra says, these 10 essential rules for our Dharmacharana. Our Shastra prescribing these 10 essential rules for the Dharmacharana, for the observance of Dharma. These 10 rules are most essential for each and every human being. This Dharmacharana ensures one's progress, an evolution which results in happiness and peace. This Dharmacharana is in the interest of personal benefit or individual person, family, as well as society. That means this Dharmacharana benefits all, irrespective of your practicing religion, irrespective of your worshipping God, irrespective of your caste, creed, gender, etc. This Dharmacharana can be applicable to each and everyone, to each and every human being equally. This is the greatness of Dharmacharana. That is why our Upanishad says this Dharmacharana is the vital force of our society. It is nothing but prana. Hence, for fruitful life, all of you must follow this Dharmacharana sincerely in your day-to-day life. This is the Hitopaneshah for today. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.